This is by far the fastest way to get your music from BandLab onto Spotify just using your phone. And so today we will be using DistroKid as our distribution service, but I've had great experiences with DistroKid and have no complaints about them, and their mobile app makes this extremely convenient. So to get started, we'll open up BandLab and we'll go to the project we want to export. In this case, it's this one, and I'll just give you a little sneak peek here. So that's what I want to release, and this works for any genre of music, by the way. It can be rap, indie, pop, whatever. So you go into your project here, and you're going to click the little arrow to download it and download as audio, and then save to files, and then save it wherever you want on your phone. Okay, and then once that's finished, we're now going to go into the DistroKid app, and we'll want to go to the upload down at the bottom. And here, I just have everything checked, everything ready to go, and that means that not only will it be posted to Spotify, but it'll be posted to Apple Music, Amazon, all the things it lists. So in this case, I'm only going to release one single, and I've already got my artist information filled out here, but if you haven't used this before, it would lead you through the process of creating your artist name and all that. So everything's set. You pick a date. In this case, I'm just going to pick, okay, midnight. Everything's good. And so here, it is really important that you pick a genre and everything, because if DistroKid is to pitch you to any playlists and to just categorize you on Spotify, you want to make sure everything's correct. So mine's kind of like electronic pop R&B type situation. So we're going to go in here and then find pop. Okay, and then so you'll want to have your album cover ready at this point. So we're going to go in here and choose a file, and I already have this one ready to go. And then name your song. Okay. And then find the one that you uploaded. And then you should be good to go. And it will make you put your real name here. But after that, you just need to fill this out. And okay, and then so here at the bottom, it's going to try to sell you on some extra things. And if you care about these things, then go ahead and add them to your song, and it'll help out a little bit here or there, but it will be extra. And I only pay for the $35 a year DistroKid account, and that makes it to where I can post as much music as I want to, as much as I want. Okay, and then I'm going to check all of these. And there you go. And so it's going to try and sell you on more stuff. Just say no to that and use my original version. And there it goes. And it'll even give you some shareable links and stuff that you could use for pre-promotion. But yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. And you can do it all from your phone. From Bandcamp straight into DistroKid, straight to Spotify. So not only will DistroKid try to sell you on things whenever you release your song, but any promotional service you find or playlisting service, it's most likely going to be a scam. And that's just the honest truth. And if it's not a scam, it's probably not very effective. There are some ways you can run paid promotions for your music that is effective, but it's mostly running Facebook ad campaigns or Google ad campaigns yourself, or promoting playlists yourself, and not paying other people to promote your music, or even just promoting your music organically on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. But just be careful using these services to distribute your music, because any music service you use to distribute is going to try and sell you on promotional services, and it's just never going to work for you. Spotify might get you for botted plays. And so just keep being consistent and post as much as you can, and you will grow and you will gain a following. And if you found this video useful, leave me a like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thanks.